ChatGPT saying? Today, I'm experiencing Ghana as a foreigner for the first time. So I asked ChatGPT to control my day. So whatever ChatGPT will say, that is what I will do. But task 1, what is ChatGPT saying? It's saying that try Nkosiani Meko as a foreigner. Even ChatGPT knows that you have to try Nkosiani Meko when you come to Ghana. So we have to look for Nkosiani Meko. Where is Nkosiani Meko? Nkosiani Meko! Nkosiani Meko! Aha! Look. Ghanaians are all over the Nkosiani Meko. It's not just me. But you're saying? Petu. Nkosiani Meko. ChatGPT saying, fine girl like me should take the 2 at once. ChatGPT wants to finish. The yoke is working on my chest. If you're a foreigner and you're coming to Ghana, when you come to Ghana, you need to try Nkosiani Meko, one of our best food here in Ghana. And so delicious. It comes with pepper, so that is egg and pepper. So what? I'm here at the coastline. Since Ghana is known as Gold Coast, when you're a foreigner, you come to Ghana, come to the coast here. And again, ChatGPT is saying that, oh, Jesus. It's saying that I should run 100 meters in the sun here. Get set, go. I'm tired. ChatGPT is actually playing a game with me. I'm like, 100 meters. I've never done some before. Never in my life, even not for ChatGPT. What am I using 100 meters for? Now, I have to do the 3 Ghanaians dances I know. I'm doing Al-Qaeda and I'm doing Amanda and Kakalika. You understand? So let me start with Al-Qaeda. 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 And then Amanda. And then popular Kakalika. Kakalika. Kalika. Kakalika. Kalika. Singing mommy. So if you're a foreigner and you come to Ghana and you want to dance the popular Ghanaian dance, my cameraman, is afraid of the water and he fell down. Turn your back. Oh my God. So if you're a foreigner and then you want, when you come to Ghana and you want, any popular Ghanaian dance challenge or anything, I'm giving you the top 3. Kakalika, Amanda, and Al-Qaeda. You can add Azonto to it.
From the incredible street food to kicking a football around local kids, it didn't take long to see why Ghana is known for its hospitality.
So at this point, ChatGPT wants me to reduce my speed and composure. He says I should stand at an open space and dance to Ghanaian music.
the most difficult one. ChatGPT asked me to be a trotro mate.
Aha, Madina! 37! Atomic! Oh, Jesus! Uncle, mommy! Uncle! Kachoko, mommy! Uncle! 37, Madina! Oh! 37, Atomic! Atomic, Madina! 37! Ashalaboche! Oh! Ashalaboche! Oh! 37, Madina Pacho and Sibio Pacho. Oh, see, I know me, I'm shimmy. 37, Madina! Hey, up to now, me know one person. One crime. My life depends on you. 37, Madina Atomic. Oh, hey, my throat is shut. Me a mate, Madina, uncle be mommy. Oh shit, Madina 37 Atomic. Mommy, uncle. 37 Atomic. Madina. Oh, sorry. 7 Atomic. Madina Atomic. 37. Mommy. Madina Atomic. 37. Madina. Don't pie. Stop pieing, mommy. Mommy, we are median. Madina. Mommy, munko bi mommy. Munko mommy. Yanko Madina yan samba. Madina Legon 37. Legon 37 Madina. You know, I know you come and board 37 Madina. Where are you going?
I'm going to
You know, go to my TikTok. Takrade. And then come Madina. What school are you? Oh, okay. I'll come. And then come Madina. Yeah, cute. So 37. Matia, I better drop it. 37 Madina. I said, Saturday, Jumana.
Clean up.
Oh, Charlie. 37 Madina. Boko. Yeah, in chow. We okay. 37. So far, 2 people. Hey, yeah, 7.
Today, ChatGPT showed me a side of Ghana I will never forget. Amazing food, beautiful places, and some of the kindest people you will ever meet. If you are planning your next trip, make sure Ghana is on the list. And if you enjoyed this adventure, hit subscribe and join me for more amazing experience around the world. See you in the next one.